Hello there. Today I was trying to create a new React app and I had this problem. Let me show you. You're running Create App 4.03 is behind the latest release. And today I want us to solve this problem or a solution for this. To solve this problem, what you need to do is first clear the npx sketch by running this command npx, then clear npx sketch. Proceed by saying yes. Then after that, we create our app npx create React app, and then the name of our app. Proceed by saying yes. Okay, this process takes some time depending on your network, your PC, and so many other factors into play. As you can see, it has started, and then it has created the package.json file. After this, I will just forward it to the final bit where I'll show you when it's complete and how it goes. You can see it's almost done. Just started creating some files, writing some code into the package.json. It has created some folders. It's almost done creating the app. And after this, I'll show you another method if this does not work for you. Should be done in a minute now. All I just do is just navigate into that folder and then start my application. Forgive me for the noise. This is method 1. If this does not work for you, you can try this by forcing the app to create. You can do this by npx create at 5.0.0 and then the name of your app. Hope you don't have to get to this because it's not really the best thing, and the best one is usually just to clear the cache and then try to create the app. For now, I'll just npm start the app, and then after that I will install Tailwind and use it. If you would like to know more about using Tailwind, just go and watch my first video that I created. Yes, thank you for watching, and let me know which method worked for you. And if you have any more questions, just feel free to leave it at the comment. If you didn't like the video, you can always leave a dislike. Thank you.